Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. By the way, itong reading na ito ay hindi para sa lahat. Generally reading to. So, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung hindi ka makakarelate, wag ipilit, okay? May mga ibang readings pa tayo i-check mo na lang yon. And, if you're interested, you might want to book a personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Ayan, or sa akin, meron na rin ako niyan. Astrological palm reading and or tarot reading, pwede ka mamili kung may ma-avail ka mang bracelet dun sa aking TikTok shop. Ayan. And if you're interested, meron din ako isa pang business, Jelly's Restaurant. Yan. Kung gusto mong pumunta doon, kumain yun. May Unli Wings doon. Naga Road, Las Piñas, near Watsons and Generica. Ayan. So, ano na natin, simulan na natin ng reading. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Yeah, hopefully makita mo ako doon sa sa resto. So if you're around Las Piñas, ayan. Punta tayo sa iyong reading, Earth sign. Kunin natin yung main energy mo. By the way, medyo maingay sa aking background dahil medyo, medyo maaga ako nag-reading ngayon. So, medyo marami pa pong taong gising. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan. Pagpasensya mo na lang ha kung may ingay. Ayan. What do we have here for the sign of Earth sign, please? Wait lang, nadadali ng wait lang, ayusin ko lang. Okay, so what do we have here for Earth sign? Kunin muna natin yung main energy mo ha, tapos ng person mo. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. By the way, ma-appreciate ko kung ikaw ay magko-comment, heart, smileys. Para dun sa mga nagko-comment regarding sa bakit hindi ako nagre-reply dun sa TikTok. Unfortunately, marami pong nagme-message dun sa aking main TikTok. Yung may mga videos, ganyan. Doon kayo mag-inquire sa pinaka business na TikTok. Nine of Swords, Page of Wands, and the Star. Ayan. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords, the Hanged Man. At the bottom of the deck, Major Arcana. I feel like may problem or may regarding sa connection mo with this person, medyo hindi okay ang relationship, ang connection ninyong dalawa. Pwedeng there's a lot of problem or ayan, the Page of Wands, this is communication na parang you want the star communication mula dito sa taong to, or maybe you want na makipag-communicate sa kanya, pero there's challenging times sa present moment ninyo ng taong ito. The Eight of Swords, you could be dealing with someone na stuck sa kanyang situation, hindi niya magawang sumagot or gumawa ng actions or makipagsalita sa'yo. Maybe this is a friend, maybe this is a person na with over the Hanged Man. I'm seeing a person na parang if this is a friend, pwedeng naglalaylo lang siya ng konti kasi medyo mainit pa ngayon or medyo hindi pa okay yung situation ninyo ngayon. Medyo parang pinapalamig niya pa. So, maybe in the past, there's a lot of stressful moments sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And negative, yeah, there's a lot of negativity ang nakikita natin. And if there's another person na involved sa situation ninyo, I feel like your person is medyo binabago niya yung pakikipag-interact niya sa'yo but there's a lot of guilty emotions itong taong to. A lot of guiltiness. The Star, I feel like ang focus mo is ma-achieve yung mga goals mo, pangarap mo, you are planning, you're trying to, focus on your achievements and do more for yourself. Now, mas nakita mo yung self-worth mo ngayon, and maybe you are acknowledging all this I can see celebration mula sa'yo. Whatever small achievements ang meron ka, nakikita natin na unti na sineselebrate mo ito and you're beginning to pwedeng bumabalik ka sa pagkabata, parang ganun. Kung ano yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, or kung ano yung strength mo, I feel like nailalabas mo ito ngayon and nakikita natin na masaya ka dun sa mga ginagawa mo na yan. So, regarding to your person, sino tong person na nakakonect mo? Person na nakakonect mo, earth sign. Oh, wait lang. Sino tong person na nakakonect mo, earth sign? Kunin natin yung main energy niya. Ten of Wands, okay. Ace of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords. There's a lot of 10. Dalawa. And Six of Swords is here. Gusto kong kunin yung main energy or yung situation ninyong dalawa. Gagamit ako ng ibang card. And ito nagpapapansin sa akin. So, I will be using this card. Anong meron sa situation ninyong dalawa? Connection ninyong dalawa ng taong ito? Bottom of the deck, let your friends help you. So maybe, you could be dealing with a friend or someone na parang maybe this person may past connection sa inyo wherein naging maybe friends or more than that. Like, maybe there's mutual understanding in the past sa inyong dalawa. And you do have to stay optimistic about your love life and deception. So, someone here is wearing a false self-mask in the relationship. It could be you, your person. Pwedeng hindi nagiging honest dito sa connection na ito. And maybe you. Pwedeng pinapakita mong okay ka lang or you're happy but deep inside you're not. Kung hindi man sa person na ito, pwedeng sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Diba? Pinapakita mong okay ka lang pero deep inside hindi. There's a lot of negativity. There's a lot of problems. And pagdating sa person na ito, maybe pinapakita mo okay ka lang sa kanya pero deep inside hindi rin. And vice versa, pwedeng ganun din siya sa'yo. Or there's something here hidden. Okay? And stay optimistic about your love life. I'm seeing that you want to give your all to this person, pero parang wala naman kasi siyang ginagawang actions or what, or parang baliwala lang yung pagre-reach out mo or yung mga ginagawa mo sa kanya. Okay? Wait lang po. Okay, so move on tayo doon sa the Six of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. I feel like pareho kayo na this is a balanced energy. So both of you are trying to walk out from this connection. Yeah, from this situation. Kasi kaya nga sabi ko pwedeng pareho kayong nagsusuot ng hindi totoong totoong mask sa kanya-kanya ninyong sitwasyon, okay? Or sa inyong connection. So, ano yung emotions niyo sa bawat isa? Emotions here. Hindi ko ito kukunin masyadong marami. Wait lang. Kuha tayo ng messages. Please, spirit guides, angel guides, emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay, you do have here the Hierophant and the Queen of Wands. And one more card. I'm seeing the planet of Neptune. So, planet of Neptune, actually yung planet of Neptune nagkakaroon siya ng retrograde ngayon sa sign of Pisces. And magtatagal yun ngayon. Nagsimula na siya July 2 up to December 7. And, this could be a person na pwedeng may spiritual connection sa inyo. And also, komportable si Neptune sa zodiac sign na Pisces because yun talaga yung kanyang ano yung Pisces ruling planet talaga niya is Neptune. So, komportable siya doon. But it's in, 29 degrees of Neptune. Pwedeng maapektuhan ka ng connection or maapektuhan ka ng ano na ito, ng transit or ng retrograde na ito. Okay, pwede kang maapektuhan. And, pwede may mga bagay kang ma-realize na parang, hindi mo naman to kailangan, parang ganun. Or maybe regarding sa past, regarding what you really do like and what you really do love. Ayan, the Hierophant is here. So, ang emotion mo for this person, actually nakikita natin na parang, ginagamit, or, pwedeng naririnig mo sa mga tarot readers yung emotions mo talaga dito sa person na ito. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, with the Queen of Wands, ikaw na mismo kasi ang parang nagiging advisor ng sarili mo eh. Parang alam mo yung dapat gawin, alam mo yung dapat maramdaman, parang ganun. And ngayon parang malinaw na sa'yo lahat, maliwanag na sa'yo lahat. Kung ano yung emosyon mo, kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, kung ano yung hindi mo dapat gawin, kung anong especially with the Neptune retrograde, pwedeng ito ay ginigising ka sa katotohanan, like because of the degree, 29 degree, and lalo na kung meron yung tinamaan na planet sa'yo, 26, 27, 28, 29 degrees na planet sa iyong chart. So, talagang may effect talaga itong Neptune retrograde na ito sa'yo. Okay, and with the Hierophant, you are actually very mature, no? Kaya pagdating sa emotions mo, I don't know, maybe something in the past na naging dahilan para maging immature ka pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate, pagdating sa emotions mo. But now, nakita natin na you are already mature with regards to your emotions, with regards to your actions, pagdating sa taong ito. Over the Justice card, Libra energy. So, mas nakapokus ka sa sa maybe career, or this is you na parang you're being strict sa sarili mo. Ayan. And also, you're making changes para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. And also, this is you na tinatanggap mo yung reality or realidad dito sa connection na ito. Okay? And I can see the asteroid Chiron. And magkakaroon naman ng retrograde yung Chiron sa July 26 and mag-end naman yan sa December 29. And pwede magkaroon din ng effect sa iyo. Chiron is a great, it's a healer, it's a teacher. And nakukuha ko yung energy niya dito with the Hierophant. So, parang ina-acknowledge mo na itong connection ninyo ng dalawa ng person nito, marami kang natutunan, marami kang nalaman, marami kang na-realize. Okay. And now, maybe naapektuhan ngayon ang inyong communication. And let's move on. For the side of your person, ano yung emotions niya para sa'yo? Okay. 7 of Wands is here, and followed by the Knight of Swords. Emotions, 9 of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Tapos kukuha ko ng mutual energy sa inyong dalawa. Emosyon ninyo para sa isa't isa. Codependency. If this is an ex, if this is a person in the past, an ending is an ending, Nakikita natin yan with the codependency. Maybe nakita mo sa taong ito yung mga negativity sa kanya. You're being true to yourself. For now, pagdating sa reality, no? And pagdating sa connection ninyo, I feel like there's misunderstanding, and I can see I can see pagkakalayo, pag-iwas, paglayo. And during this time, mas pina-priority ninyo pareho yung mga maybe relationships ninyo for now with other people. It could be another relationship with regards to the love, or other relationship with children, or maybe family, um, para maiwasan ninyo ang isa't isa. Okay? This person, pwedeng, can see pagta-travel. Gusto niya mag-travel. May gusto siyang alisan. Release your ex is here. Pero mas nararamdaman ko sa energy ng person mo. Like, meron siyang gustong alisan, past life, relationship, maybe regarding the past, or regarding, I can see Scorpio energy. May gusto siyang alisan. Parang feeling niya hindi naman to masyadong mahalaga. Parang ganun. It could be a work-related kind of, energy. Or maybe relationship, or friendship. I don't know. May gusto siyang alisan. What will happen in the future para sa inyong dalawa? What will happen in the near future para sa inyong dalawa? You do have the Ten of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. What's with the Four of Cups? Four of Cups is clarified by the Nine of Cups. Okay, you will receive something in the future. It could be a kind of gift. And I can see money. You will receive a lot of money. And with the Nine of Cups, maybe you will receive something na parang ina-expect mo, pero hindi mo alam na hindi mo ina-expect. Maybe if it's a money, wala kang literal na idea kung magkano. Parang ganun. You're just expecting something, pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung amount. Pwedeng ganun. And if ever, pwede rin namang surprise yung iba. And I can see something with the Four of Cups, like an offer, pero you're not sure about it, or you want to accept it, or mas high chance na hindi mo gustong i-accept. Gusto mo lang i-accept dahil magbe-benefit yung iba dito, or maybe some kind of help, yan. Maybe mas magbe-benefit dito yung mag-aalok sa'yo, or yung magsasabi sa'yo. Maybe it has something to do with a new beginning. The Four of Wands is here. This is stability. Maybe some kind of an offer regarding career, work, or stability, or maybe a home kind of offer. And I can see a lot of surprises in the near future para sa'yo. With the Four of Wands, Four of Cups, especially, that's Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Especially if this offer is galing sa tao na could be an earth sign, or a fire sign, or a water sign. But anyway, itong taong ito is maybe some kind of partnership ang gusto niya mangyari, but you're not sure if you're going to accept this. Okay? And maybe because ang daming paghihirap, or very challenging yung panahon ngayon, and maybe you need to let go of something in order for you na i-accept ito, or bago i-accept ito. So, you're not so sure. Nandun yung gusto mo kasi parang maybe it can help someone na parang yung makakatulong ka sa iba, ganun. And also, I can see birthday. I don't know kung may celebration ba ngayon, may birthday. It could be you. Yeah, if you're a cross-watcher. Or, yeah, you could be a cross-watcher. Or, yeah, nakakaamoy ako ng spaghetti or something. Like, pwedeng may celebration of birthday ngayon. Kung hindi man ikaw sa family mo, or kung hindi man ngayon, maybe tomorrow, or maybe someone is preparing for, birthday celebration. So, pagdating sa person mo in the future, sino ba tong person ito? Yung person mo is the Page of Pentacles, and the Temperance, and the Three of Cups. Okay. The Queen of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. Kukuha tayo ng card dito. What will happen in the near future para sa inyong dalawa? Wait lang guys. Ayaw makuha nung cards. Okay. A lot of release in the near future para sa inyong dalawa. release. May mga haalisan, may mga aalis, or may mga tatanggalin. And if for your person with the Page of Pentacles, nakakita tayo dito ng tinatry niyang ayusin pero wala eh, hindi na kayang ayusin. It's like, someone is acting immature and medyo, kung naman yung relationship na hindi na maayos, maybe if iba-iba guys, pwedeng sa side niya, pwedeng sa inyong dalawa. So, if you're dealing with an ex, maybe yung relationship ninyo is hindi na maayos, mahirap nang ayusin, tinry ayusin, pero mahirap talaga. Especially kung masyadong isip bata yung isa. And I don't know kung sino sa inyo yon. And if this is your connection, na parang maybe your person is dealing with someone else, and then pwedeng may children or child na involved doon. Okay? The way I see this, tinry ayusin because of the child. Tinry ayusin because of responsibilities. No? Pero nakikita natin, hindi na kayang ayusin. I can see a lot of sorrow, galit. I can see a lot of problema. And I can see the word fired. Alam mo yun, para sa trabaho, you're fired, parang ganun. And pwedeng it applies to this person's thinking dito sa mga relationship na ito na parang ayoko na, you're fired. Parang ganun. Ayoko na ikaw sa buhay ko, parang ganun. And this could be you or the person nakakonect niya kung may kakonect siya. And the Three of Cups, I can see someone in the past is coming back to your life, and that past person is a soulmate. So, kung naman yung mga i-release, aalis sa buhay mo, mawawala sa buhay mo, you have to let them go. Hindi mo na sila kailangan. And pagdating sa person nito, ganun din siya. May mga taong aalis or mawawala sa relationship or sa buhay niya, pero kailangan lang talaga mawala yung mga bagay na yan. And you deserve love. So, you are lovable. I can see the word knife, and yung pinaka-song nun, yung knife cuts like a knife. I am deeply wounded. Hindi ko maalala yung lyrics, guys. So, anyway, maybe you love that song. Maybe you are singing that sa karaoke. This could be a reading. And yeah, I can really, really see the word return. So, may magbabalik in the past. And this person could be your soulmate, could be or if not, maybe a career ang babalik sa'yo in the past, and you are destined na i-accept or mapunta talaga sa career na ito para and kung mapupunta ka sa career na ito, may mga bagay ka talagang dapat i-let go. Yeah. And communication with this new person or past person. Pero, bago mangyari yan, kailangan mo na mag-retreat, umalis, makipag-disconnect with the past. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.